This is Physics in Minutes. This session is force. So what exactly is force? Well, let's begin by imagining some matter just drifting around aimlessly in space. It's happy doing, well, nothing. This condition is called static inertia. Now let's imagine it is pushed or pulled by some energy, like gravity. Now you have some matter with energy added to it. The greater the energy, or the greater the initial inertia, the greater the resulting byproduct of their interaction. We call this byproduct force. It's easy to quantify force. The force created is equal to the energy times the initial inertia. Let's look at a couple examples. Think about it. What would you rather feel? A light breeze on your face? Or a chunk of wood flying through the air in a hurricane? You likely picked a light breeze on your face. Since the air has relatively less initial inertia, the amount of energy required to move it is relatively low. This means very little force is created. The chunk of wood, on the other hand, has a lot of initial inertia, and it takes a lot more energy to get it to lift off the ground and fly through the air. So this means you have a lot more force. Now the energy needed to generate enough force to move something is not static or steady. It must be a rapidly changing energy to overcome the inertia. The energy used to create a force is measured in distance and time, and the distance doubles or halves every second. This energy is called acceleration or deceleration and is expressed as meters per second, or meters per second squared. So, when energy accelerates matter to overcome its initial inertia, you create a force which is the product of the initial inertia, which we call mass, and the acceleration, or simply force equals mass times acceleration. This has been Physics in Minutes. Up next, mass versus weight. Thank you for watching.